Hi guys, you're welcome back to Nigeria News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment gist happening around. Guys, I think we're in trouble in Nigeria. I don't know what's happening. So many pastors with different marketing strategy. That's what I see. I have a gist for you today. It's about an Abuja pastor. Abuja pastor sells miracle pants, bra, to help ladies attract men for marriage. Can you imagine? Is this real? Man, an Abuja-based pastor, J.S. Yusuf, who also doubles as the senior pastor of Touch for Recovery Outreach International, has stunned many after releasing some set of bras and pants to ladies in a church in order to attract husbands. The pastor, it was gathered, released the items which were made available for sale within the church premises in order to release marriage into his congregation in the new year. Also, he was said to have printed his face on the items while quoting numbers in the Bible. Numbers chapter 23 verse 20 during the church service, which says, "Behold, I have received the commandment to bless, and he has blessed, and I cannot reverse." Also, he said to tell the congregation that the items are capable of curing diseases. Wow. Guys, what do you think about this, man? All these pastors with their strategies really getting out of hand. I don't understand how a man of God could be doing this in church, selling bras and pants for ladies to help them attract husband. Guys, I think this is I don't know who am I to judge, but from I don't just know what to say about this, but it's really scary, man. Things happening in this country and it's scary. Can't imagine if I was a lady, I can't imagine myself wearing any of this. Who knows? Who knows what he has done with it before giving it out? Man, some people have mind though. Some ladies will still go to this church, go to churches like this and buy all these things and wear. And then hope to get something good in the end. It's scary. It's scary, man. Really scary. I'm making findings, discovering where this church is, so I could actually go there myself and then discuss with one or two members of the church to know what's really going on there. Because I can't believe this is happening. I seriously pray and hope Jesus comes soon to help us and save us. So guys, I don't know what do you think about this. Let's talk about it in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gist and entertainment. God bless you.